How to fix Instagram freeze sharing problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. All you have to do first, go to Instagram freeze, and then once you're here, just click these 2 points and then try to log out and log in again. And if that doesn't fix your problem, let's move to the next step. Go to settings, now go to apps and then apps again, and then go to freeze. First stop it and then go to storage and clear cache, and then just go back and try again. And if that also doesn't fix your problem, now restart your phone, or you can just try to turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again, and this might help you to fix your problem, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.